Hey everyone, how's it going today? I was just scrolling through some business ideas the other day and something caught my eye: hot dog carts. You know, those little stands you see on street corners or at events. I started wondering, how do they actually make money? So today, let's dive into that question together. First off, let's start with the basics. The first page of our little guide here is titled, How Do Hot Dog Carts Make Money? Simple enough, right? But there's more to it than just selling hot dogs. Let's move to the second page, which talks about the revenue model. Hot dog stands make money through small profit margins on food and drinks. Typical pricing is between $1.50 and $3 for a hot dog, and chips and drinks are usually around $1.50 each. Now, the profit potential is pretty interesting, up to 80% gross profit margin. But wait, that's gross, not net. Net margin gets reduced by things like direct costs, permits, insurance, and even kitchen space if they need to prep food elsewhere. And there's growth potential too, especially in busy urban areas where you can stand out with a unique spot. Now, before you go out and build your own hot dog stand, there are 3 things you should consider. Let's start with the first one: required tools. Depending on how complex your build is, you might need basic welding tools. But the guide says if you already have the tools, go for it. If not, maybe think twice. Buying tools can add up. Next, the situation, which mostly covers legal regulations. This is super important, right? You can't just set up a stand anywhere. You need to research local laws and health regulations first, whether you're building or buying a cart. Typical requirements include having hot and cold water systems and a 3-compartment sink. If you don't follow these rules, you might not be able to operate legally at all. Where do you get this info? City Hall is a good start, or even talking to existing food stand businesses. This is a 100+ year industry, so there are established rules out there. Third, time and money. Let's talk about time first. Is it feasible without experience? Maybe, but you have to be honest about your own skills and preferences. If you're a first-time builder, expect to spend 2 to 3 months on it. That's way longer than just buying a pre-made cart. And even with instruction kits, there are common DIY challenges, like putting the 3-compartment sink in the wrong place or not having long enough plumbing pipes. Those little mistakes can set you back a lot. So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.